I believe you're having a party at home. This is the right place to be then, because today I'm going to show you some easy party recipes, something which will make your party into a big hit, and we are doing it all from scratch. Today I'm going to show you how to make potato crisps with the Greek tzatziki sauce. So get ready, wear your aprons and let's get cooking. This is me, Harsh, on Chop, Eat, Repeat. So for your homemade fries, we're going to start with potatoes. Now you need less starch potatoes. We don't get russet potatoes, so we're going to use potatoes which are specifically meant for wafers. You can ask your vegetable vendors. They will send you wafer potatoes. And I've already de-skinned them, peeled the skin off, but you can leave the skin on. It also gives a nice rustic look and also a nice rustic taste. Now I'm using a mandolin. If you don't have a mandolin, you can use a slicer. If you don't have a slicer, you can finely slice them using your hands. But I'm not good at slicing, so I'm going to use a machine. And I'm going to dunk them into cold water. Now what happens here is, by putting them in cold water, all the excess starch of the potatoes gets removed. Now you need to do this for about half an hour, after which you will remove the water and add fresh water to it for another half an hour. And salt. Now the measurement of salt is usually 1 tablespoon per potato. So you add 1 tablespoon per potato of salt into your water, which is the second time. Right? Now this is a lengthy procedure, so I can't show this on the video. I've already pre-washed and dipped my potatoes in water. I'm going to show you what they look like. So here I have with me 2 potatoes, one with the skin on and one without the skin. Already sliced, already kept in water for half an hour, then drained fresh water with 2 tablespoons of oil, and this is what it looks like. And now I'm going to dry them on some kitchen paper so that there is no water, it's completely dried. I know it's a tedious process, but once you try these homemade crisps, you will never want to eat packaged crisps again. Just to ensure that all the water is soaked out. So whilst my oil is on the stove getting hot, let me show you how quickly to make the tzatziki dip. Tzatziki dip is a Greek dip made with some hung curd. I have hung the curd and let the water run out for about an overnight, which gives you a nice creamy texture. I've taken about 2 cups of curd and I get about half a cup of hung curd left. To this, I'm adding about 1 cucumber, where I have sliced it into half, removed all the seeds and finely chopped it. And about 1 teaspoon or 1.5 teaspoon of really finely chopped garlic. Some salt to taste. To this I'm adding very finely chopped mint. As you can see, all the ingredients are very cooling, including the hung curd, the cucumber and the mint. So yes, this is a great recipe for the summers. We'll quickly give it a try to see that all ingredients are enough. Perfect. And I'm going to put this in the refrigerator to chill. Come back and then we'll start frying our crisps. Alright, the oil is really hot now and my potato crisps, which have been dried out, are dry, and I'm just going to check if it's ready. And as you can see how quickly it's coming up. You will need a lot of kitchen paper for this to drain out all the excess oil. And as you can see them goldening up a bit, that's the time you remove them. Depending on the color you want on your crisps, if you want them really nice and dark and golden, you can fry them for a bit more. Trying to remove all the excess oil. And there you can see they're already goldening up once they come out. There. Let's put another batch in to get a plate full. You know guys, anything fried always tastes great. Eat less of fried food, but do indulge in it once in a while. No harm done. I'm putting them to dry and adding some salt to it. This is the time when you add your flavors. We are all done. Now let me show you how we can plate these and serve them to your awaiting guests. My tzatziki is out of the refrigerator. We'll put this in a dipping bowl. Please serve this chilled. It'll taste even better with really nice, crunchy, crispy fries. I'm going to top it off with some more mint, and you have your fries ready. Go on, take a bite. I'm sure you won't be able to stop at one. I wish you can hear the crunch. Outstanding. Do try this at home. Do let me know how it turns out. I would love to hear from you. Do subscribe to my channel. The subscribe button is right below. I hope you've liked what you have seen today on Chop, Eat, Repeat. And waiting to hear from you. Do come back again. This is Harsh signing off on Chop, Eat, Repeat.